So today's actually day 160, but this is the lesson we're supposed to have yesterday. We're a day behind, but that's okay. We're going to talk about two-way frequency tables. This is a way we could organize data or whatever you'd like to call it. Doesn't matter. Data is just information. It's meaningless until we could organize it and make it meaningful. Okay. So for example, data could be like shoe size. I could ask people what the shoe size are already. Think about your shoe size. I'm going to call on each person. Shoe size?
8.
Shoe size?
13.
Shoe size? Sunny?
Huh?
What's your shoe size?
You're out of it, son. 8.
Okay, good. So it's all meaningless. Those numbers are meaningless, right? Let's say I just asked you a random number and those are the numbers. Those would all be meaningless. The fact that I asked you shoe size is a little more meaningful, but it's still kind of meaningless because I don't care. Like, I have to figure out a way to use it. Okay. So we collect data to make meaning of it and to analyze. And like if you're a business person and it's important even like in your own personal life, if you know how to organize your data and understand how it all works, you're able to provide yourself a better outcome. You could analyze and make a better decision. Okay, so here's some vocabulary I want to go through. You don't have to write this down, but there's this thing called quantitative data. There's actually two kinds of data. There's quantitative data and qualitative data. Okay, quantitative data and qualitative data. Okay, so quantitative data has to do with numbers. Okay, so again, all the shoe sizes, weren't those all numbers? Yes, they're all numbers, right? Or I could ask you all your ages. They're all numbers, right? So that's quantitative data. Any data that I collect as a number is quantitative data. Okay? Qualitative data is anything that's not a number. It's data that's not a number. Okay? So, for example, I could collect data about whether people like their shoes or not. Okay? That's qualitative. So all you 8, think about, do you like your shoes or not? Tell me yes or no. Do you like your shoes?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, cool. So I just collected data, right? Were all those responses numbers at all? Yes or no? No. Okay? Qualitative data could even be even more specific or elaborate, okay? So I could ask each student here, collecting data about why do you like your shoes or not, okay? So everyone in this section, think about one reason why you like your shoes or not like your shoes, okay? I ask you in 5 seconds. Just give me one quick reason, okay? Ready? Okay.
They're old.
Okay, old.
Comfortable.
Okay.
Black.
Okay.
Comfortable.
Okay. Huh? White. Uh huh. Black. Because they're black. Uh huh. Slip-on. Okay. Comfortable. Okay, cool. So I like slip-on shoes. That's cool. Down with that?
They're Vans.
So you see how everyone has a different reason, right? You're kind of getting more detail. It's all data, right? Does that make sense? Or another way I could do it is I could categorize the data, okay? So now think of your favorite shoe color, U8, okay? Ready? Favorite shoe color.
Blue. Black.
Black. White.
Baby blue.
Okay, cool. So did you notice how I had a variety of different colors, right? I had categories. The categories were colors. There were black, white, just say blue. Okay, we'll put all the blues together. And red or whatever, grays, okay? Okay, I categorized them. Now, they're still qualitative data. They're still meaningless. Now I'm going to organize them and count them, frequency. So raise your hand out of you 8 people if you like black shoes. All my black shoe lovers. Okay? You said gray, liar. No, I just want you to pick your favorite. Okay, you got to be consistent. Okay, 2 black shoe lovers, all my white shoe lovers. Okay, 2 of you, all my blue shoe lovers. Okay, what was the last color? Red, blue? What was your color, Camilla?
Red.
Red, okay, cool. Did you notice how I could count all the colors, right? Okay, so that's categorizing. Did you all see how I just organized people's shoes lives, right? It's not a smelly situation. We could actually deal with it. Ah! Okay. I didn't fall. No, I wasn't.
What's
Anyone snapping that? You're never going to see that again. I don't think you ever want it. Okay, cool. Had too much coffee. Ready? So, quantitative and qualitative. Turn to your elbow partner or someone around you. I want you to describe the difference between quantitative and qualitative. Really quick, 20 seconds. Go. All right, so and categorical data is when we categorize things like shoe colors or categorical data, whether you like your shoes or not. Frequency is when I count things, like what's the frequency of black shoe lovers. You know, I can count all the black shoe lovers. Two-way frequency table is when I combine things. Like, let's say I wanted to know all of the male, or all my black shoe lovers, everyone who likes black shoes in here, raise your hand. Okay, cool. All right, I want you to put your hands down. Now watch this. I'm going to now categorize it two ways. Ready? I want you to raise your hand if you are a black shoe female or a black shoe lover that's female. I'm sorry. Black shoe lover that's female. 1, 2. Okay, cool. So you see how I just categorized that? 2 students are black shoe lovers that are female. Okay. Or here's another one. All the students that are black shoe lovers that are male, raise your hands. Okay, now I can count those, right? Did you see how I just categorized them 2 ways? Okay, that's the goal for today, all right? So, here we go. Complete the two-way frequency table. So here's a story. Data is meaningless until we organize and make meaning out of it, okay?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. I'm going to tell you a story. Just watch along, and you'll see it's pretty easy, okay? Jenna asked some randomly selected students whether they prefer dogs, cats, or pets. She also recorded the gender of each student, okay? So she went to random students and was like, do you like dogs, cats, or other animals, okay? And then asked, you know, what their gender was. Shh. The results are shown in the two-way frequency table below. Each entry is the frequency of students who prefer a certain pet or a certain gender. For instance, 8 girls prefer dogs as pets, okay? So you see that right here. Okay, so you want to complete it. So I could use some logic to organize my numbers, right? It said right here that there are 8 girls that love dogs, right? Do you see that? 8 girls that love dogs, right? And then there are 10 boys that love dogs as well. You see that? So how many boys and girls like dogs? 18, right? We know that because we know it's 18 because when we add them together, we get 18, right? We can do that same thing for cats, right? 7 girls like cats and 5 boys like cats. Therefore, there are 12, right? Cool. And I could even go the opposite way, or bring it together, right? Let's see how many girls actually responding here. So there are 8 girls that like dogs, 7 girls that like cats, and 1 girl that likes another type of pet. So how many total girls did Jenna ask? Nope. 17, right? And how many boys did she ask? Right? I could go across. 24. How many?
24.
16.
16, that's right. Girls are 16.
What?
Girls are 16.
8 plus 7 is 50
Oh,
plus 1 is
math fail. I teach math. Okay, it's not bad. It's okay. I failed and I made a mistake. Now I fixed it. I learned from my mistake. It's okay.
I accept your apology.
24. Okay, so how many total students? Now, we're almost done. How many other types of pet lovers are there? 10, right? And I want to bring it all together. So how many total students did this student? 40, right? So look at this. There's 40 here, right? Would you all agree with that? Now, I could also count it this way. Does this add up to 40?
Yes.
Cool. Do you see how it all works out?
Yeah.
Cool. So we just categorized all these pet lovers, right? And now we can make meaning of the data really quickly. Like, for example, was Jenna's survey evenly distributed among boys and girls? Meaning, did she ask boys and girls evenly, or did she ask more boys or more girls?
More boys.
How did you know that so fast?
Because
Numbers don't lie.
added up the numbers.
The numbers don't lie. That's right. That preach it, girl. That's right. What do the facts say?
But people do.
That's right. People do lie. But how many girls or boys did she? 8.
Oh wait, never mind.
18 or 24, everyone?
24.
Good. Okay, you see your mistake?
Yeah.
That's okay. I made a mistake earlier, too. It's okay. We make mistakes. All right? Or we could easily say which pet is preferred by the most of the students. Which pet do people prefer most? How did you get that so quickly?
Numbers.
Because the numbers don't lie. That's factually, we know there's 18 dog lovers, 12 cat lovers, and 10 other lovers. Okay? Does that make sense, everyone? Okay, cool. Let's have you do another one. Okay, this one with your group. Okay? Make a little table. You're going to put on the left side girls and boys in total, and then on the top you're going to put juice, milk, water in total. And here's the story. Okay, why don't you start that while I talk. 100 students were surveyed about which beverage they chose at lunch. Some of the results are shown in the two-way frequency table below. Complete the table. Okay, can you complete this with your elbow partner? And I'm going to come back to you in a minute. You're going to fill in all the boxes that are empty. Okay? Okay, what? Someone raise your hand. Tell me a box I could fill in and why you know it could be filled in. Okay, yeah, Matthew.
25 total juice, because, 10 plus 15 is 25. Wow. Oh my.
Okay, good. That's right. Take the easy ones. Good. Okay, that's right. Someone else. Yeah, Bernie.
We surveyed 40 girls
How do you know?
because 60 plus 40 equals 100.
Oh, you're saying there was a total of 100 down here, right? And therefore, if you think backwards, there's 40 girls right here?
Yes.
That's right. Do you all agree? Okay, someone else start filling it in. Tommy.
The milk is 13
The milk is
for the
13.
girls. No, for the girls.
Did you see how you had to fix himself? Right? So you want to categorize it. The milk, or the girls who like milk are, there's 13 of them, right?
Yes.
Good. Someone else, Ryan. You had your hand raised.
The total amount for water is 38.
Good, 38. Good. Keep going. Last one, everyone. What's this last one? Everyone.
37.
37. Now let's just check our work, okay? Remember, this all has to add up. Did this all add up correctly?
Yeah.
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes, it did. 37 and 38, 75. Plus 25, 100.
Okay. Good, let's do another one. Okay, so you're going to create this table. The results of a survey of 150 students about whether they own an electronic tablet or laptop are shown in the two-way frequency table. Here we go. So we got, hi, good morning, Haley. So you have an electronic, you have a table here, and I'd like you to fill it in, okay, with your group. One more time. Okay, let's see if you could do this. Okay, and then we're going to go to a harder one, okay? Go. 1 minute. Okay, so let's start filling this table in. Raise your hand if you give me a detail that could be filled in. Okay, let's get some new people. Thank you, Ryan. I appreciate it.
He's not new.
Yeah, he went last time, so. Let's have some new students that haven't participated yet. Charles, what's a detail we could start with?
Total boys are 64.
Total boys are 64. How do you even know that? Oh, okay. So you're saying that since we know all the students is 150, we could think backwards. We could do 150 minus the 88 is going to be 64. Is that right? 62. That's right. It's okay. Next person, someone else who hasn't gone. Let's have someone from that side of the room. Come on, let's finish this up. Okay, Ali. 12, good. We're thinking backwards. Good. Someone else. Yep, Christian. Huh?
Neither is 14.
Neither what? Oh, right here, the total of neither, 14. Good. Emily. Okay, we'll do another one. 4. Okay, the total of both is 20. Someone else now. Braden.
Laptop is 89.
Good. Okay, we're almost done. How many electronic tablets for boys? 14? How do you know that?
Because they all add up to 62.
Okay. And this one down here has to be?
29.
Okay, now let's check our work. Does 29 plus 89 plus 20 plus 14 equal to 150?
Probably.
I don't know. That does not look right. Something's wrong. Does it add up to 150?
No.
Okay, we need to check our work.
It adds up to 147.
Okay, good. So we made a mistake here. Let's go backwards. 62 minus 5 is 57. 57 minus 8 is?
49.
No, 51.
51.
Oh, wait. 57 minus 8 is 49. Sorry. 49 minus 35 is?
4. 4.
14? Come on, kids. I'm not doing it for you. You need to go. Tell me 62 minus 5
57.
minus 8 minus 35.
14.
Okay, good. So this one has to be 29. 54 plus 35 is?
89.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Good. Is this correct here, this 12? Okay, what's 88 minus 9?
79.
79 minus 54?
25.
25 minus 15?
5. 10. 10.
We put a 12 here. Is this correct?
No.
Oh, man. I don't know who gave us that. That was wrong. Okay, so let's fix this. What's 10 plus 8? 18. That's wrong. Okay, now are we good?
Yes.
Okay, good. You see how quickly we can make a mistake there? Okay, so I really like how we're learning from our mistakes. Let's keep going here. Let's do, we're going to do one more. This one's going to be harder, okay? Ready? Okay, so, ready? So this one's talking about music, okay? Country music or pop. Teresa surveyed 100 students. And asking whether they like pop or country. Out of the 100 students, only 42 liked pop, 34 liked country, 15 liked pop and country, and 9 did not like pop or country. Okay? So here's a hint on how to start it. Well, actually, I'm going to let you do it. I want you to fill in this table, okay? And then we'll come back together. Ready? Go. What detail can we write down here that we know? Emily? Uh-huh. No, it's okay. You can tell me. Good, 100 for the total. Good. What other details do we know? Okay, Joseph.
9 don't like pop or country.
Good. So where do I put that? Now let me teach you how to say it. These are called columns. So there's 3 columns, and then the horizontal ones are called rows. So there's 3 rows. Okay, Joseph, can you tell me where I'd write 9 then? Which column and which row? Good. So we'd write 9 here, right? We know there's 9 people who don't like country or don't like pop, right? They both don't. They don't like either, okay? Cool. Let's keep going here. What other details can we write down? Yep, Brian.
You'd write 15. You'd write the number 15 in the first column in the first row. So it's yes and yes.
Okay, good. Let's do another one. Hi, Mackenzie. Okay, let's do another one. Yep.
34 like only country.
Where would I write that?
Next to 15.
Oh, right here? Okay, keep going. Olivia. I saw your brain go, oh. What would you write next?
42 people only like pop.
So where would I write that? First column, second row, right? Right here? What number do I write there? Good. Okay, keep going. Let's fill it out. What else can we write down? Okay, Braden.
In the yes column, it's 57.
Okay. Next, someone else. Brian.
In the third row, second column, or third column, second row.
Uh-huh.
It's 51 total.
Okay, next, Joseph.
Third column, first row is 49.
Good. Everyone, what's the last one?
43.
Good. Is this hard?
No.
Now let's check our work. Does this equal to 100?
Yes.
Good. And does the last one equal to 100?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm thinking we're doing pretty good here, right? As long as we're accurate, we should have the data correctly organized, okay? It depends how accurate if you are using your data. Okay? Challenge question. Where did the student make a mistake? Okay, the student was supposed to complete a frequency table survey involving 50 students. The boxes are where that student started working and then totally messed it up. So turn your neighbors, where did the student make a mistake? What should have been done? Okay, where did the student make a mistake?
The total for boys and rushing is incorrect.
Why?
Because 42 and 8 makes 50. There's only 50 total.
Okay, so where should this 50 go then?
50 should go to the third column, third row.
Ah, good. So if this is correct, 50, then is this correct?
No,
No, what should this be then?
that should be 26.
Good, 26, good. And then what should these two be then?
That would be 10
Here.
for boys and Russian, and 18 for total,
Okay, keep going.
and then 38 and 17.
38.
Oh, wait. No, 38. 17 and 15.
Good. Does that look right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. That's it. That concludes the lesson. So for practice, today you're going to do a workbook, because we're all done.